Hello everyone, welcome to JOHNSILIN'S tutorial. We have seen lots of grammar topics lately which were useful and also which were also taught to you in school. So our today's topic is figures of speech. Okay, you all might have heard about this topic in your school or in your classes. You all must have even gone through it. So let's see some of the topics, some of the headlines today. First of all, what is figures of speech? Language that uses figures of speech is known as collectively as figurative language. You will find examples of figurative language in novels, poems, essays, and plays. The opposite of figurative language is literal language. Before going to each and every sentence in detail, just concentrate on a single sentence, that is, you will find examples of figurative language in novels, poems, essays, and plays. Most you all will find in poems. Okay, in exams and all, in English papers and all, you all must have seen that you all must have got a particular question of identifying the figures of speech from that particular poem. Okay, so you'll have to identify those particular whichever that is a figure of speech, and then you'll have to write the full sentence along with the definition or the explanation. So let's go forward, and this is the first topic: entities. What are entities? It's a literary technique that places opposite things or ideas next to one another in order to draw out their contrast. Okay, see, in simple words, if I have to say, the definition of entities is only opposite. You all know opposites, right? So it's just opposites. Now see the examples. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. So in this sentence, do y'all see any opposite words contrasting? Best and worst. Okay, the opposite is best is worst, and the opposite of worst is best. Okay, so in this sentence, best and worst, these both words will become entities. Got it? Just remember, entities means opposite. Okay, got it? Now let's move further. Next is alliteration. What is alliteration? Alliteration is the repeating of consonant sounds right next to each other, which creates a memorable or melodic effect. In simple words, alliteration is the repetition of alphabets. Okay, alliteration is the repetition of alphabet. You all will find a particular alphabet in that sentence which will repeat continuously. Okay, so let's go for an example. She sells seashells by the seashore. She, she sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, it's like a tongue twister, isn't it? See, in this sentence, do you all find any alphabet repeating? It's S. Okay, see, S for she, then sells, seashells, then seashore. These all words are repeating. Okay, so this will become as alliteration. She sells seashells and seashore will become as alliteration. Okay, so just remember, alliteration means repetition of alphabets. Okay, A for alliteration, A for repetition of alphabets. Okay, let's move further. Next one is personification. Personification, you emphasize a non-human's characteristics by describing them with human attributes. That non-human can be an object, an animal, or even an idea or a concept. Okay, see, personification means when you give a non-human thing, a non-living thing, a human quantity or a human quality. Okay, you all will understand it better with the examples. So here are a few examples of personification. She sat down at the tired, overworked desk. See, desk is given a human quality. Okay, desk is given a human quality for a particular thing or a non-living thing which they give a human quality is known as personification. Okay, see this. The child's stare begged me to take him out of the ice cream even though I would already said no. The child's stare begged me to take him out for an ice cream even though I would already said no. Okay, so see here again it does the same. Ice cream is given the human quality, like the child is in it, and they are taking the child out of it. Okay, it's given a human quality again. So it will become a personification. You'll have to write it with a full sentence. It would be better if you'll write it in a full sentence. Okay, so that's it. We are learning today. So, what are the topics that we learned today? Let's go in a reverse way. First one was personification, then was alliteration, and then entities. So, altogether, we have learned three figures of speech today, which will be useful for y'all. Further, also, I will be uploading the videos of more figures of speech. Keep preferring it, it will be useful. Okay, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel without fail. Thank you.